Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Plex Error Code 1008. The error reads, playback error. A codec required for playback could not be downloaded. Make sure you are connected to the internet and try again. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play shows on Plex Media Player. According to our research, this error likely occurs because of network issues, VPN interference, outdated server access URLs, or codec problems within the Plex installation. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your internet router. Once both are restarted, update the Plex Media Player and check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then go to your Plex settings. Simply under the Network tab, access the Server section and then open the Advanced Network Settings. There, check your custom server access URL. If it's outdated or points to an old domain, update it. Once done, check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check if you are using a VPN. In our research, using a VPN has caused this error for some users. So try disconnecting and reconnecting your VPN, switch to a different VPN location, or simply disable the VPN altogether. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then delete or rename the codecs folder from your Plex installation directory. After that, restart the Plex server. Doing this should trigger Plex to download the necessary codecs again. Once done, check for the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.